What's going on, guys? It's your boy here. Today we are going to Phil Giebler's shop in Riverside, California. I need to get fitted for my kart because my first race is this weekend. We are doing a test day on Saturday, and I'll show you guys that. And then we'll be doing and then the race is on Sunday. So I'll take you guys there. So we are sitting in the car right now. We have about an hour and 40-minute drive to the shop, and then we're gonna get fitted, and I'll take through the day with you guys. So I'll see you there. Made it. Race shop. We'll get fitted for our kart. So currently we are getting fitted for our karting seat. We have a race this Sunday, so yeah, we're getting fitted for my seat and just checking out the kart. Why don't you show the two options? Okay, that's all we're gonna do that in this season. All right, we're here. This is the trim that you guys will see on vlog day. Our race is on Sunday again. So yeah, got the little Louie dog here. Ooh, buddy. And then got all the karts right here. Phil Giebler out in Riverside, California. And here you go. We got a little showroom in here. Kind of cool, another kart on the wall, Ricardo kart. And then got some Phil Giebler racing suits back in the corner. The kart on the ground. And yeah, we're currently getting fitted for my kart. Then I think this is the engine room in here. We race out at Cal Speed, California. If you guys have ever raced out there, give me a comment down below. So yeah, this is the engine room back in here. And then yeah, then they got some more steering wheels and stuff over here. Got some steering wheels in the background and some helmets. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a racing gear bag video. I just came out with a football gear bag video on my main channel, so if you guys are coming from my J-Boy Sports channel, welcome, and hopefully a lot of vlogs in the future. Before this video ends, thank you so much to John LaMonica's Pizza. They are the sponsor of this video. They are my first sponsor for my racing career. They supply Costco with their pizza dough, so if you guys get a slice of pizza from Costco, that's them. And then they also have a few pizzerias in Los Angeles, California. So thank you so much to John LaMonica's Pizza, and I look forward to working with you in the future. See you guys later.